Double Diamond Railroad back on a Do Not Hump Wednesday video. Extend the series. It's Tuesday, but we got to get our video done now. Tuesday evening, 7 o'clock. You got to get this recorded so it has time to push out. Probably kick it out 6 o'clock in the morning so it has time to propagate. So what we did today, let's shift over here a little bit. And we got to dryer competition. But Railfan Man had it on his video the other day. So we're allowed to have it. Okay, right there we got a shot of, it's behind the Amtrak. Got a shot of paint there. Kept away from the switches, covered them up. Back here, we shot all that. Move you again. Shot all this with Tamiya Rail Brown. Boy, they're right about the fumes. They warn you about the fumes. They are strong. I went upstairs after that. Even though the blower's running and we had the furnace off so I wouldn't blow up anything. Fortunately, hot water heater was done running. So we went right from this junction right there where there's no ballast all the way out. Then down the main line and a runaround. Looks like I got a little more up on a pillar back here. I didn't see that. Had to redo that with some gray. Went all the way up behind the switch. Then see if I can get up here and show this. I sprayed in a bridge and up here it wasn't done since I put new ballast in. All ways back and shot into the tunnel too. But I put it inside the bridge like that to make it look like rust and dust and all that stuff. We got that far back there to the switch. And we cleaned it all. The little piece of plumber's tape, sandpaper, and then the cork that I wiped down with. So we're going to test. I'm going to test run here to see if we can, good to go. Then we've already soldered everything up, so make sure we didn't hose anything up. Then we'll do the, give me a bouncy ride. Then we'll get these switches done that have to be done yet. 2 switches there and a center track between. So I'll probably tape off certain points, block the points, the pivots, contacts. Actually, we got 3 switches there to do. And we'll spray a little bit lightly. I'll do the rest with a brush. And to get the outside edge with the paint. And straight down on the ties. Then we'll test that again. Then we'll be ready for ballast whenever I can do that. So let's see if we can back through here. I better look, make sure we're still aligned since I was messing around. Yep, looks like we're good. See if we got any momentum. Yeah, we got some. Yep. We got momentum. Take him up to 10. That's what he'd be running through. See if we get any stops. This is not my 100% reliability engine, so good one to use for testing. He's been over here, so we know how it acts. Okay, that looks good there. Now let's come forward. We'll go through the crossover. Get set up to go. Make sure we didn't get anything in the points there accidentally. Good deal. Okay, now we're going to have to run down the runaround. Just hit a stop right there. Yeah, let's see. Throw this. We'll go all the way up to main line, main 2. Oh, a little bit right there, but we didn't do that switch. Might have something on it though. We didn't spray that one. I don't think we were close, but it could have something. I'll get some cork and wipe it. I think we're lined. Okay, we had a little dirt up there, or paint, at the top past the switch. Had to sand that off and wipe it with cork. And found 2 more spots out here where we didn't paint, still acted up though. We're doing 10. Hopefully we got this clean now. Doing better than I thought it would first time through. You had some right out here, right here. Okay, we got through that time. Gotta worry about it moving down the track. Okay, good deal. Okay, I pretty much proves it, but let's back down. Throw this back. Let's back down and go in the siding. See if there's anything in that switch, since it got a little bit of overspray. See right there. Of course, that one always acts up. I'll probably have to spray it. Stop right here. I'll spray it, clean it. CRC. Okay, we'll run through here again. Sprayed it, wiped it down. See if you see any spots. That'll be the next switch that goes, that and the next one in there. Yeah, since I got that number 6, but they're both left hand. Exact opposite of what I need. Yeah, it worked. But at least I can lay them in there and see how they're gonna work out fit-wise. See if I need a 6 or an 8. There he is again. It's when it crosses a frog. So I might have to run my gauge in the frog. Okay, stand by here. Okay, there's something gummy right there on the one rail, right behind that building, behind the little shed. Felt with my fingers, kind of sticky. Right there. Sanded it and wiped it again. Hopefully I got it. Okay, go back. Let's go down the siding into the industry. Got another Cairo tune-up today. Full spine. Really helps. She said, gee, you're standing up a lot straighter. I said, yeah, feels like it. So it's helping. I've had 2 days now. My pain was only like a 1 to a 2 first thing in the morning. So that's good. Something's going back in, lining up again. Okay, here we go. Now I better slow down to 8. See, we're getting, put the bell on extra load. Good, I can probably paint the switch tomorrow. I'd put some tape on there, frog tape. Here's a spot. That switch, always. Points wiggle, brakes contact. Atlas. Old Atlas switch. Been here for a while. Back up to 10. Stop. Want to go. Let's go forward. Oop. Wrong way. It's a speed instead of the stop. Go ahead and get back out. Now I can put this back over and get my train. That'll be another video. We'll start switching diamond foods again. Okay, go back to momentum 6. Try that. Direction reverse. Should come out smoother. Yeah. And we get some ballast down there. That'll be cool. Look good. I think we're going to go momentum 7. And step in here and get the switch. I can see the switch. Really, I wouldn't have to paint that switch that's behind the building. I would never get that in camera probably, but I will. I'll paint it. Got about 3 inch of track there out in the open, needs painted. Okay, let's head him back over to where he came from. He's going to go pick his train off the CSX yard lead. That'll be his next mission, get him staged for that. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Take care, God bless. Have a good week, the rest of it. Nice weather here. We got up in the 40s today. Double Diamond Railroad, out.